Yeah. We're gonna start off with Jordan, okay? Or Joel, I meant. Joel. Ready? Set. Go! Hey, don't come over here. For his age, he's really good. Here comes another one. Whenever I was their age, I couldn't even pop willies. Here comes another one. Then after this, we're gonna have me do it, okay? Hey, that was good. And